Ever wanted to recreate a movie scene but found 3D modeling too hard? Today, I'll show you how to generate the iconic scene from the Substance using Meshy AI. Let's dive in. First, I grabbed a key scene from Substance and isolated the props, like this retro chair and lamp, using an image editor. Pro tip, pick shots with clear lighting and details. Next, I uploaded these images to Meshy's Image to 3D tool. In seconds, it generated 4 base models. I picked the one with the cleanest topology. This chair matches the movie's vibe perfectly. Then, I used the AI texturing feature to generate the texture for this sofa. Here, I added the desired color to the beginning of the auto-generated prompt, clicked Generate, and effortlessly obtained a high-quality texture for the sofa model. No scene is complete without characters. I typed a description of Substance's hero into Meshy's Text to 3D tool. After tweaking proportions, I had a ready-to-animate model. With one click, Meshy added bones to the character. Then, I browsed its animation library for a tense walk cycle, perfect for capturing the film's mood. You can also browse other motion assets in the animation library, such as sitting, fighting, dancing. There's always one that suits your needs. Finally, I exported everything to Cinema 4D. After arranging props, adjusting materials, and adding moody lighting, voila! A faithful 3D replica of Substance's world. From screenshots to a fully animated 3D scene, Meshy made it shockingly simple. Try this workflow for your favorite films and let me know what you'd recreate next.